Right guys, Thornbury driving test centre. Tip of the day, it's worth a packet of Jaffa cakes. You'll be coming down here on your test. The slip road, maximum speed you're coming onto is 50. So check your mirrors here, signal right, keep left, use the whole of the slip road. Make sure you're looking around, see what's going on the road you're going on. So see what's going on over there. Keep in your lane, look in your mirrors, see what's going on there. So use as much of the slip road as you possibly can. Watch out for like a golf like that coming into your lane. He's driving perfectly fine, but just watch out for any cars in that lane pulling across. Now look at anyone on this slip road coming onto your lane. So quick look in a minute and we're watching him. Now if he's pulling out and you can't slow down, and he's not slowing down, if he's not slowing down, you must slow down to let him in. However, the law tells you that he must wait until it's safe to come onto this road. However, if he's coming and he's not stopping, then you must let him come onto the carriageway, otherwise you'll have a bump. So now we're following the signs for Bradford like you would on your driving test. So you are not taking the first exit left at that roundabout, you are taking the slip road just before. So you can see that slip road sign there just before the first exit, that little dash. You can see that line there. That line is telling you there is a slip road before the first exit left at the roundabout. So here you check your mirrors and you signal left, because you signal left at the number 3 countdown marker and maintain this as you're coming down along this road. That's telling you the new speed limit you're coming into. Quick look in your right mirror, because this is where these guys start flying into your lane. Quick look in the left door mirror for a cyclist or an e-scooter. And this is the slip road it's telling you to take before the first exit left officially at the roundabout. So the speed limit is 40 at the moment. So we're going to carry on going. Our lights are green. So we don't have to stop. We don't have to give way to anybody. We remain in this lane. We follow the road ahead. Now we can see our next traffic lights are red and there are no obstructions in this lane. So we'll continue in this lane. However, we'll look in the right door mirror here to see anyone from lane 2 coming into lane 1. Let's say, for example, your driving test, there will be 6 or 7 cars leaving at the same time. They do different test routes, so there could be a driving examiner with his pupil coming into your lane from Leeds. So make sure you're making regular mirror checks here. Usually in Bradford they cut across junctions when they are at the junction. So make regular mirror checks. Now these people here have to wait for you. So that grey car will wait. Now what you've got to do, you've got to make sure there's nobody waiting parked in this lane, because there is official parking bays that they can park. Now this is an official place where they can park their car. So they can park there, go inside the shops and do some shopping. Now the trick to this, how do you work that out, is literally when the cars ahead of you are signalling right and moving out of that lane for no reason. And the reason actually is because there's a parked vehicle. Now other than that, the other problem that you have in this lane is people turning off onto these side roads like this one here, Moreland Road, or ahead of us where the Co-op or Morrison's is now, So you'll see, if I push the camera a bit more to the left, you'll see nobody turning at the moment, but more than likely one person turns while you're driving along this road. So quick look in your right door mirror, everything looks good, nobody's slowing down. Now we know the speed limit's 40, so we'll keep a safe speed. Now we can see the traffic lights, they're green. Now sometimes they go red as we're approaching. So we need to look in our rear view mirror and see what's going on. And there's nothing much, and there we are, they've gone red on us. Now you'll see the white van stopping at the secondary traffic lights. But when them lights go red, you're expected to stop at the first, unless you've gone over the line. You'd then stop at the second traffic lights. You wouldn't just drive all the way through. So now that you're at a red light and it's calm, look in your mirrors and see what's going on around you. Make sure it's safe and make sure nobody's doing anything that you're not aware of. So now look in your mirrors again and see what's going on. Now look in your right door mirror again, just in case somebody's flying up the road. Now them guys up there, the ones, that red car there, sorry, the white car, he waits. He has a red light. So you don't need to worry about them. So now you're looking your right door mirror again. Anyone pushing into your lane, because you've got a big gap between you and the vehicle in front. Look in your right door mirror again and see what's going on. And then if your examiner didn't tell you to turn left there, he'll tell you to turn left at these lights, and we can see that Mercedes positioning his car. You can see that Safeway car. Now he is too fine to the junction. Now if there was anyone in the lane on the right, he would have automatically failed his driving test. So it's very important that when you're positioning your car at that junction, turning back into the test centre, you make sure that you're not obstructing them two lanes. So they're both active lanes going past your car. And the active lane is here. Active lane, what we mean by that is a running lane, a lane that will have cars going past you. I hope that makes sense, guys. And guys, if you like the videos, can you like it and leave a comment? And if there's anything else that you want us to cover for you in Bradford, please let us know. And all being well, one of the team will cover it with you. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to sub us.